Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Mycelium spreads by converting nearby dirt or coarse dirt into mycelium when the local light level is at least 9, so always check light with a light meter or hold a torch. You must place at least one mycelium block using silk touch to start a colony. You cannot craft it. Mycelium tolerates a single layer of snow above it and will still spread, but full opaque blocks overhead prevent spread and must be removed. Spread rate depends on random tick updates and the number of adjacent mycelium blocks. More source blocks nearby raise the odds of conversion. Keep target dirt inside loaded chunks or spawn chunks to ensure random ticks occur. Unloaded chunks do not receive updates. Avoid opaque blocks above the target dirt and maintain a light level of 9 or higher at the dirt surface for reliable spread. A single slab or transparent block above usually still allows conversion. To expand quickly, create multiple small mycelium islands a few blocks apart so each serves as a local source and they multiply outward. Use a grid of torches, glowstone, or lanterns to maintain light level 9 across the target area. Place light sources under transparent blocks when building aesthetics matter. Keep the area in a loaded region by using spawn chunks, ticking areas in bedrock or player presence. Unloaded areas will not receive the random ticks required for spread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.